The web application is called IRIS, short for Intelligent Reporting Information System, and was the product of a hackathon by the company in March 2019. Founder and Chief Executive Officer of V75 Inc., Eldon Marks, told the newsroom that given the issues with access to information about the coronavirus, they felt it was important to launch the app now. To access the application, you can visit iris.gy/chat. IRIS provides real-time information on the novel coronavirus or COVID-19 in Guyana and affected countries around the world. Information is automatically pulled from the World Health Organization (WHO) website when it is updated. The CEO explained that the most unique thing about IRIS is that anyone can access it, and it was programmed to understand Guyanese Creole.
We believe that right now is the ideal time whereby we need IRIS. We need IRIS to interface with the citizens because there's an issue with regards to accessing information on COVID-19, but accessing information in an accessible way. Persons can read websites and there's a lot of information out there, but what we've done with IRIS is that we've taken the two primary information sources, the WHO and the CDC, and we've populated that and produced a conversational experience through IRIS that allows people to ask her questions about COVID-19 and ways in which they can prepare for COVID-19 and detect symptoms, etc. Right now, we have IRIS available with the knowledge base on COVID-19 pulled from the WHO and the CDC websites, and that is able to deliver content to the public at the moment. And we're ready to launch that. And we started it last week, Wednesday, and our team has been working around the clock in terms of producing that conversational experience.
Marks pointed out that there is currently no system in place to collect information on suspected cases and available facilities that affected persons can access. As such, the company is working on another application that will complement IRIS. This new application will allow health officials to understand the current state of communities and households affected by the new coronavirus. Technology developer at V75 Inc., Dinat Mohabir, explains.
The application is accessible via the web as of right now, so you can, if you're in an affected area, you can go put in your household information, log what are your current resources, if you're low on food, water, any essentials, you can log if there's current affected cases in your household, and then that gets automatically sent to public health officials who can then use that data to focus their attention to those affected households or communities.
Meanwhile, Chief Technology Developer at the company, Asa Brewe, developed the conversation interface for IRIS. He said the app reduces time and also reduces physical interaction, which is important during this time.
So how we train this entire model and what's not is based on curating a set of data people that usually would use. So like for instance, how we have the Guyanese dialect, we would say, hey, what's up, or hey, I'm there, or something of those sort. So we take all that information and we curate that data and put it into the model, so it'll be able to pick up on certain things that user would usually say. So some of the areas of focus deals with what is the coronavirus all about, because there's the coronavirus and then there's different strain of the coronavirus. So the one that we're dealing with right now is the COVID-19. Also it deals with giving you information on how it is spread. Also how we can prevent do social distancing, how you can prevent it from spreading, and what are prevention methods and all those different things, as well as we added a feature where it gives you statistics. So let's say you want to know how much cases there are in Guyana, it would pull from the CDC website and be able to tell you, well, the WHO website, and be able to tell you exactly how much cases you have. And you can also pull from multiple different countries. Let's say you're following what is going on in Italy and all these different things, so you could see as it progresses. So those are some of the areas of focus that we have dealt with.
Can you tell me a bit about the coronavirus?
Coronaviruses are a large family of viruses that cause illness ranging from the common cold to more severe diseases such as severe acute respiratory syndrome. Coronavirus disease COVID-19 is a new strain that was discovered in 2019. It can be transmitted from person to person of all ages.
The company is also working to provide the application in different channels such as WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, text messages, and a call-in channel. The Ministry of Public Health hotline numbers are also available on the app. Reporting for the newsroom, I am Isanello Patwo.